Hey there, welcome to another video. I'm going to show you a neat little trick with filters so that you can get information out of a filter, right? So there's a few ways you can kind of do it. So I'm just going to apply a filter here. All right. So if you don't know anything about filters, I do have a video introducing filters and what you can do with them. Okay, so let's get the filter on it. Now let's say I have all these presents that I've purchased for my girlfriend over time, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to highlight the ones with value so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. And if you can hear my dog, it's because you can see other dogs. And he's losing his mind. All right, let's go to the top. All right, so I only want to grab the ones with results. Now I can do this. Okay, I can sort all the ones with numbers and copy paste the ones without the zero. Okay, because what I want to do is I'm trying to get just the ones with results out. So I can do this, copy. Okay, let's go to the top. Oops. Right, because I just want that. But I don't really want to do it that way. Okay, I want to maintain the order because sometimes this isn't ordered by date. It's ordered by just random numbers. Let's just say I had like, instead of date, all right, I'll hide this for the moment. Pretend you have a table like this, and then you just have like ID number, let's say financial statements, and you only have a tracking number, right? Which is, let's just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2. Okay. Oops, what did I do? They need one more 9. Nope. What is that? 1. Oh, let's just make it simpler. Maybe I'm complicating. Let's just say 100 to 999. Okay. All right, because it's a date. There we go. All right, so let's just say I have random numbers. So I can't really sort and put them back in the same order. So what I want to do is get out just the ones without the zero. So what I can do is if I use the filter, I get rid of 0. I go OK. That's going to give me everything without a 0. And if I actually copy off this, I'll just do a small portion. You'll notice on the left side I've got gaps. If I copy this out, right, and I go to a new sheet, it's only going to copy and paste the filtered results, not the whole thing. So you can see there's no zeros there. If I go back to this sheet, and let's get rid of those filters, there's zeros in this list. So it's a great way of just grabbing what you need. Now, obviously, when you have lots of filters, okay, let's unhide this now. Like so, let's say I'm just looking at this top range. I want to get rid of all the zeros. Oh, not that one, 0. Okay, and I want to get rid of anything where the year or where the month is this one, this one, this one, this one, right? So then I end up with even less in what I want to copy. And if I copy this out, I'll only get the results that I have filtered out. Okay, so I use this on a number of occasions where someone's given me a huge data set, and I only want to extract a certain amount. Now, when you only have, where is it? Let's say 20 rows, 50 rows. Okay, maybe you can do it manually if you really didn't want to learn this technique. But what happens if you have 100 or 1,000 or 5,000 or 500,000? You know, that's when these kinds of techniques get really good because you know what? Whether your list is 100 or 100,000, the application is exactly the same. Nothing actually changes. Whereas if you're doing things manually, how you handle information that's quite small is very different to how you would handle it when it's much bigger, because manual methods they're just not going to cut it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.